Welcome to the 2023 GMC Canyon AT4 in dynamic blue metallic. This truck is powered by a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, bolted up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Canyon, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for power adjustable mirrors, integrated trailer braking, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, 11.3-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, and the shifter, four-wheel drive selector, and electronic parking brake is in the center console. Taking a look at the exterior of the Canyon, starting off with the 18-inch dark gray machine-finished aluminum wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badging on the bottom of the doors, blacked-out mirrors. Around the front of the vehicle, red GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4 badge in the grille as well, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. And as we make our way around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into either side of the bumper, towing package is installed, AT4, Canyon, and GMC badge all on the tailgate. Heading back inside the Canyon, back seats here come in a 60-40 split and are locked by this lever here. They are also car seat ready. Cup holders come down in the middle. And here in the center console, we have two USB charging ports and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Canyon AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.